Welcome to Costa Blanca. Today we are in Los Altos and I'm going to show you this new built apartments which you can see behind me. It's a new development here in Los Altos. It's from a very good builder, high quality materials and very nice and modern properties. The apartment consists of 2 and 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So you have the options to choose between 3 bedrooms or 2 bathrooms. And now we are going to look into the show house. But this is where the development is going to be, and you are close to a lot of stores and restaurants and bars, and also the beach is just a little short drive away. Let's go and see the show house. Are you ready? Let's go. So here we are coming into the residential property. So the facade will look like this, nice and modern. And there is also a little playground for the kids in the corner. We have, of course, a community swimming pool, nice and friendly neighbors. This area is the perfect opportunity if you want to get a brand new vacation home, an investment opportunity, or maybe a combination of both. It's easy to rent them out and it's a very nice place to have a vacation home. Now let's have a look inside. So now we are inside of one of the apartments. This specifically is a ground floor apartment, but you can of course choose between ground floor, middle floor or upper property with a private roof terrace. So now we are going to have a look and enter to the apartment and see how nice it is. So as you can see, it's a very big terrace and you can choose between different orientation depending on your preferences. But you can have south facing with sun all day, or you can have north facing if you prefer a little bit more of shade. East facing means sun in the morning, west facing sun in the afternoon. So depending on what you want, you can decide. And here we are entering directly into the living room from the terrace. So as you can see, it's nice and modern feeling to it. Again, nice and open kitchen. Most people prefer this open kitchen floor plan, which is understandable. It gives more space to the property and also it's more about the looks. You get that nice modern feeling to it. Here we have directly the fan, the ventilation for when you are cooking some dinner. And as you can see, it's nice and spacious, a lot of storage space in this property. As you can see, nice and big with a lot of storage room for everything you need from the kitchen appliances and everything. And then white goods integrated, of course. This specifically is Johnson, which is a very nice brand as well. And now I'm going to show you the bedrooms and the bathrooms. This property specifically have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So we have the guest bedroom, 1 bathroom, and then the main bedroom and a bathroom. As you can see, the master bedroom is very spacious and also it has a balcony door right outside to the balcony, which is directly leading to the community swimming pool. So here we are standing just outside the community swimming pool. This is the perfect space to have a dip in a nice summer day. So I think this might be the perfect opportunity if you want to buy your next vacation home and you want to have 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. And the price is starting from just 250,000 euros. You get everything you need. This is the perfect location as well, as you have this a short drive to everything you need about grocery stores, and the beach is just a little short drive away. So if you're interested, schedule a call with me down below and I will be in contact with you. We will speak about this property or some other new built properties we have for sale. And I think you will be very happy with this property.